In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the video quality on Netflix. Whether you're downloading or trying to watch it within the app of Netflix, you can both change it. So firstly, let's head over to the app of Netflix. Now you won't get a separate option when you open up any movies or video on Netflix. You will need to change it from your profile settings. So for that, tap on the profile icon on the top right and then open up app settings. From here, the first option that you see is video playback. Just tap on this option. By default, it will be selected to automatic. So depending upon the speed of your internet connection, it will automatically choose the quality. But if you don't want that, and if you want higher or lower video quality, you can choose it. So if you want to have the best quality, you just tap on maximum data. It will change your video quality to the maximum. But if you want lower quality videos, you can choose save data or Wi-Fi only. The Wi-Fi only will also be kind of automatic depending upon the speed of your Wi-Fi. So these are the three options that you can choose for watching videos on Netflix itself. And the way that you change the download video quality is under downloads. You'll see download video quality. You can tap on it. By default, it will be added to standard. If you want a higher quality, you just tap on the high option. That's how easily you can change the video quality on Netflix. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.